Welcome to Dalfin. In this video, we are going to learn how to configure a for loop in Dalfin to perform operations on multiple records in a window. To begin, navigate to the Process Orchestrator inside the BrainGrid controller and create a new process. Provide a meaningful title and description. Now drag a UI trigger into the workflow and give it a meaningful title and description as well. Configure the method, menu, window, and field location where the trigger should appear in the window. After completing all the configurations, save the trigger. Next, from the Data Processing and ETL events, drag the Filter event. The Filter event is used to extract data from a table based on certain conditions. Give a meaningful title and description, then select the System, Menu, and Window. For the Record option, we can choose Constant Data, carry data from previous nodes, or filter the data. Since we want to extract records from the window, choose the Filter option and enable the option to retrieve all filtered values. Click on the Save button to save the event and connect the node with the Start block. Now, from the Loop Events section, drag the For Loop node into the workflow. Give it a meaningful title and description. Here you will see two different iteration types. Since we want to perform operations on window data, choose the Data Iteration for Loop. Then click on Choose from here. From the previous block, select the Node Data option and click OK to confirm the selection. Save the configuration and connect the node with the previous and next blocks. Now let's configure the for loop logic. Click on the Configure for Loop button and drag a Create Record event. Give a meaningful title and description for the event and select the System, Menu, and Window where the new records should be created. For adding the data, we can either add constant values or carry data from other nodes. Since the table data was extracted using the filter event, we will use the Data Carry option. Select Data Carry operation and map the fields with the respective values from the previous node. Repeat this process for all the required fields by selecting Data Carry and choosing the appropriate options from the block. After configuring all the logic, click the OK button to save the changes. Connect the nodes properly and click OK again to finalize the configuration. Now publish the process and run it. The process will execute and perform the configured operation for each record retrieved from the table, ensuring that the logic is applied to all the records. Thank you.